Have you noticed that you are using social media on a regular basis more and more, even though you try to avoid it? Do you spend hours on social media? Do you think you have an addiction? Well, if you think you have an addiction to social media, maybe you can do something useful with that. It's always great when people have passion for what they're doing. So if you're passionate about social media, then this is something you should use for working, for building a business, for creating the lifestyle you want. Before we go on, this channel is for people looking for freedom on all levels, financial level, freedom of mind. Therefore, here you can find a lot of valuable content on business and self-development. Therefore, consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell to get more of that. And if you like this video so far, please give it a like. It's the best way to support this channel, which can be useful for other people as well. So if you get a dopamine hit from using social media anyway, you might as well use it for your business. And it gives you the freedom to work from home. If you're interested in monetizing your social media, in particular Instagram, then check out this video here where I explain benefits of monetizing your Instagram account. And I also offer some help in this regard, so make sure you check it out after you watch this video till the end. Focus on transformation, meaning that no matter what kind of addiction you have, or passion, or desire, you can always transform it into something great. No matter what kind of problem you have. For example, if you have a bad habit of getting angry, then you can focus on solving problems, on using the energy that anger gives you for actually fixing the trouble, without focusing on your emotions. You can be productive in any situation, no matter how difficult it is. You can use any raw material you have to transform it into something useful. Or, for example, you have some difficulty with your health, then you can solve the problem and then learn helping people dealing with that. Any kind of difficulty is the source for strength. I hope you enjoyed this motivational video, and if so, please give it a like. It's the best way to support this channel. And also leave me a comment if you feel any addiction to social media and which one. And I also invite you to watch another video of mine on secrets of modern marketing so that you can use it for your future business. This one here. And don't forget to watch that video about monetizing your Instagram. In any case, I wish you a really great day. And if you subscribe, then see you next Wednesday.